rule that people should not die. Just tell me, anybody says that people should not die, people have to die now. Why? You mean to say he has been killed? It has to be that way, you have to put it. He has been murdered. Is there any evidence to show that? No, people, his close people say that. I don't know.
Family claiming that it didn't mean murder.
It could be. I don't know. I am supposed to know. I'm not a home minister. I didn't talk to the police. I don't know the evidence. So you'll have to talk to the right people. You'll have to talk to the IO,
medical
investigating officer. Medical proof. What I reported on the newspapers is died of drowning. That is the prima facie, on the top of it. If you have a doubt, it is good to clear it, no? So it has been done for that purpose. People had doubts. Doubts are cleared. I don't know what is the second autopsy report is, whether it's different from the first autopsy. I don't know, it could be. It could be drowning, it could be murder, it could be anything for that purpose. But how does the health minister know all these things?
I have a concern about the second autopsy. So the autopsy that the department.
See, when you raise an issue like, say, I am not satisfied with the first autopsy, do the second one. It doesn't mean that you will get a different result because the same people are doing it. It's been sent to Hyderabad, I was told.
Yeah.
There they have to check for poisoning and all the other things. What type of poison? That once the report comes, it will become clear. A person could be poisoned and made to drown. One result is drowning, the other reason could be poisoning. So it will come out. There's nothing to hide that way. But there's no need of making it an issue also. It could be a pure case of drowning also. So that also has to be accepted.
The two guys were with him.
So you don't have to conclude that a woman dies, it has to be murder.